this has it's an Eiffel trapezoid stand, so it's inspired by the Eiffel Tower with that look of more going from larger at the bottom to smaller at the top. Very nice design. It can fit into a lot of different spaces, giving it a very nice look. So you can have your music up top or whatever you want to put up here. So you can see you can store other things as well on it. It has nice cord management in the back. And then at the bottom, you can actually even put a power strip too if you wanted to do that. And it does come with a few of these just for the cords. So you can either do that or you can put the cords right through here if you would like to use that. So showing it with this, putting that right underneath, as you can see, and then plugging it back up to my device. So really nice to have in the home. This can fit, like I said, a lot of different living spaces with the nice design and the neutral colors. So if you're looking for a great AV component stand,